What's up, everyone? Welcome to your new haven of clean and tidy. Ready to turn your houses into real sanctuaries of clean and tidy? Let's do it. I know that sometimes it can seem impossible to keep the chaos at bay, but don't worry. You are not alone in this mission. You don't have to be a neat freak or spend hours and hours scrubbing. With a few small changes, everything is possible. In this video, I'm bringing you 10 surefire habits, 10 magic tricks that will help you keep your house spotless. 10 commandments of cleaning, each one simpler and more effective than the last. Okay, maybe I went a little overboard, but you get the idea. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. These are simple and easy to follow tips to keep your house always sparkling. And the best part is, it won't take much effort. And you know what the best part is? They won't steal much of your time. You can enjoy your home without stress. These are small changes in your routine that will make a big difference, I promise. So, if you want to discover the secret to a spotless home without killing yourself trying, you're in the right place. So, if you want to discover the secret to a spotless home without killing yourself trying, stay with me until the end. Let's transform your homes together. Let's start strong, and we'll do it with a habit that seems silly, but that makes all the difference. Making your bed every day. This small act may seem insignificant, but it has a huge impact on your day. Yes, friends, you heard right. This simple habit can change your perspective and give you a sense of accomplishment from the very beginning. I know some of you will think it's a waste of time, like, why bother if we're just going to mess it up again? But don't be mistaken. This small effort has big benefits. Making your bed will only take you a couple of minutes, and the change is really noticeable. Not only in the appearance of your room, but also in your state of mind. A made bed instantly gives a feeling of order and cleanliness. And also, believe me, starting the day with that small victory will fill you with energy. It's a way of telling yourself that you can achieve anything. It's like telling the world, today, I'm going for it. With this mindset, you'll be ready to face any challenge that comes your way. So, no more running out of bed like a bear is chasing you. Take a moment to start the day calmly and with purpose. A couple of minutes to straighten the sheets, arrange the pillows, and go for it. This little ritual can be the first step towards a day full of success. Let's move to the kitchen, which is where the real battle happens, right? It's the place where culinary magic meets chaos. Sauces splattering, dishes piling up, crumbs everywhere. A real mess. But it doesn't have to be this way. But don't worry, that's why I'm here, to give you the ultimate solution. Clean as you cook. It's easier than it sounds. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Seriously? More work while I'm cooking? But it's not as complicated as it sounds. But listen to me for a moment. It's not about doing a deep clean while you wait for the pasta to boil. It's about taking advantage of those little moments. It's simply about washing the utensils you're no longer going to use, so they don't pile up. Wipe down surfaces that get dirty to keep your work area tidy. Or throw away the trash as you cook, preventing it from piling up. You'll see how when you finish eating, the kitchen won't look like a battlefield, and you'll save a lot of time and effort later. Everything will be much easier and more pleasant. This tip is going to change your life, or at least the way you see your home. Put things away after you use them. Yes, friends, as simple as it sounds. How many times have you left the remote control on the kitchen table, your jacket on the sofa, or your shoes in the middle of the hallway? I bet it's more often than you'd like to admit. Well, it's time to break up with the mess. From now on, every time you use something, put it back in its place right away. It may seem silly, but this small act will help you keep your home tidy without any effort. And the best part is that you'll avoid wasting time looking for your keys, your cell phone, or anything else that has mysteriously disappeared. Chapter 4. Vacuum Cleaner, your new best friend. Alright, no excuses here. If you want a spotless home, you have to become friends with the vacuum cleaner. I'm not saying you have to vacuum every corner of the house every day, but try to give the floors a quick once-over regularly. A couple of minutes a day is enough to get rid of dust, crumbs, and anything else lying around. And if you have pets, I don't even need to tell you. The vacuum cleaner will become your best ally against pet hair. And don't tell me you don't like the feeling of walking barefoot on a clean, shiny floor. It's like walking on clouds, or better. Chapter 5. War on Bacteria, Total Disinfection. Let's move on to an important topic, hygiene. A clean home isn't just an organized home, but also a home free of bacteria and germs. That's why it's essential to regularly disinfect high-touch surfaces, the ones we touch most often. Examples: door handles, light switches, the remote control, the computer keyboard. These are small details that make a big difference and help maintain a healthy environment at home, especially if there are small children or people with allergies. Chapter 6. Goodbye to chaos. Organize your paperwork. Who are the brave ones who dare to face the mountain of papers that piles up on the desk? I know I'm not the only one. Bills, letters, advertisements. Paperwork can become a real headache if we don't keep it under control. But don't worry, I have the solution. Spend a few minutes each day reviewing and organizing mail and important documents. Yes, I know it's not the most fun job in the world, but believe me, it's much better than letting chaos take over your home. A small effort each day will help you stay in control and prevent papers from piling up uncontrollably. Chapter 7. Relaxing ritual. 10 minutes before bedtime. Remember that feeling of peace and quiet we talked about at the beginning of the video? Well, with this habit, you can enjoy it every night before bed. It's all about taking 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, to do a quick cleanup before going to bed. No, I haven't lost my mind. I'm not asking you to wash dishes or vacuum at this hour. It's simply about picking up and tidying up a bit from the day. Fold a blanket on the couch, put away the pillows, pick up the kids' toys. Small things that will help you relax and enjoy a good night's sleep. And of course, on this journey to a spotless home, we can't forget our best allies, cleaning products. But hey, it's not about buying the first product you see in the supermarket. It's important to choose those that are really effective and that also fit your needs. Cleaning a wooden floor is not the same as cleaning a tiled floor, for example. So, before you jump into the cleaning adventure, do your research on the different types of products out there and choose the ones that are most practical and effective for you. Okay, I admit this tip is more of a survival tip. Because let's be honest, who wants to carry the whole burden of cleaning the house? Exactly, no one. So if you live with others, whether it's your family, friends or roommates, it's essential that you divide the household chores fairly. It's not about one person doing everything, but about everyone doing their part to keep the home clean and tidy. Teamwork is the key to success. And we've arrived at the last tip, but certainly not the least important one. In fact, this could be considered the master tip, the one that will take you to the next level in home cleaning, creating a cleaning calendar. Yes, I know what you're thinking. A calendar for cleaning? Seriously? But trust me, it works. It's about planning in advance which tasks you're going to do each day, each week or each month to make sure that all areas of your home get the attention they deserve. This way, you'll prevent cleaning from becoming an overwhelming task and you'll ensure that your home is always spotless. And there you have it. The 10 surefire habits for a spotless home. I hope you found them helpful and that you use them in your daily life. Remember, it's not about becoming obsessed with cleaning, but about finding a balance that allows you to enjoy a clean, tidy, and welcoming home without too much effort. And now, it's time for me to say goodbye, but not before asking you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends if you liked it. See you in the next video.